If we are responsible, the future will be good for the future generations. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023. Chapter 36, Miscellaneous, Sections 507 to 521. Chapter 36 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, encompasses various provisions that do not fit neatly into other categories but are essential for the comprehensive functioning of the criminal justice system. Sections 507 to 521 cover a range of topics including procedural safeguards, jurisdictional clarifications, administrative guidelines, and the preservation of rights. Section 507, Language of Courts. Section 507 specifies the language in which court proceedings should be conducted, ensuring clarity and uniformity across judicial processes. Key points. Underscore official languages. Courts should use the official languages of the jurisdiction. Underscore translation services. Provision for translation if parties involved do not understand the language of the court. This section ensures that all participants in the judicial process can understand and engage with the proceedings. Section 508, Public Prosecutors. Section 508 outlines the appointment, powers, and duties of public prosecutors, ensuring that they function effectively within the legal system. Key points. Underscore appointment, criteria, and process for appointing public prosecutors. Underscore duties, responsibilities include representing the state in criminal prosecutions and ensuring justice is served. This provision ensures that the role of public prosecutors is clearly defined and regulated. Section 509, Assistance of Experts. Section 509 allows courts to seek the assistance of experts in complex cases where specialized knowledge is required. Key points. Underscore expert testimony. Courts can summon experts to provide testimony or reports. Underscore complex cases, particularly useful in cases involving technical, scientific, or specialized issues. This section ensures that courts can access necessary expertise to make informed decisions. Section 510, Protection of Judges and Judicial Officers. Section 510 provides for the protection of judges and judicial officers, safeguarding them from undue influence, threats, and physical harm. Key points. Underscore judicial immunity protects judges from legal action for decisions made in their official capacity. Underscore physical protection measures to ensure the physical safety of judicial officers. This provision ensures the independence and security of the judiciary. Section 511, Compensation for Wrongful Arrest. Section 511 provides for compensation to individuals who have been wrongfully arrested or detained, upholding the principles of justice and fairness. Key points. Underscore right to compensation. Victims of wrongful arrest can claim compensation. Underscore judicial oversight. Courts determine the amount of compensation based on the circumstances. This section ensures that individuals wronged by the justice system receive appropriate redress. Section 512, Transfer of cases on grounds of prejudice. Section 512 allows for the transfer of cases if there is a reasonable apprehension of prejudice against the accused, ensuring a fair trial. Key points. Underscore grounds for transfer includes potential bias or prejudice that could affect the fairness of the trial. Underscore judicial discretion. Courts have the authority to transfer cases to different jurisdictions. This provision ensures that trials are conducted impartially. Section 513, Power to adjourn proceedings. Section 513 grants courts the power to adjourn proceedings, providing flexibility to manage cases effectively. Key points. Underscore discretionary power. Courts can adjourn proceedings based on the needs of the case. Underscore fair trial ensures that all parties have adequate time to prepare. This section provides courts with the flexibility to ensure fairness and thoroughness in proceedings. Section 514, Presumption as to documents. Section 514 establishes presumptions regarding the authenticity of certain documents unless proven otherwise. Key points. Underscore documentary evidence. certain documents are presumed authentic. Burden of proof. The burden is on the party challenging the document to prove otherwise. This provision streamlines the admission of documentary evidence in court. Section 515, Offences by Companies. Section 515 addresses the liability of companies and their officers for offences committed by or on behalf of the company. Key points. Corporate liability. Companies can be held liable for criminal acts. Officer responsibility. Company officers may also be held personally liable. This section ensures that companies and their officers are accountable under criminal law. Section 516, Court to be open. Section 516 mandates that court proceedings be conducted openly, promoting transparency and public confidence in the judicial system. Key points. Public access. Court proceedings should generally be open to the public. Exceptions. Certain cases may be closed to protect privacy or security. This provision ensures transparency and public oversight of the judicial process. Section 517. Savings of inherent powers of High Court. Section 517 preserves the inherent powers of the High Court to ensure justice is served, allowing it to act in situations not specifically covered by the BNSS. Key points. Inherent powers. High Court can exercise powers to ensure justice. Flexibility allows the High Court to address unique or unforeseen situations. This section provides the High Court with the flexibility to ensure justice in a wide range of circumstances. Section 518, Power to make rules. Section 518 grants the appropriate authorities the power to make rules to carry out the provisions of the BNSS. Key points. Rulemaking authority. Designated authorities can create rules to implement the ensuring consistency across different legal frameworks. Key points. Uniform application. BNSS provisions apply to various legal proceedings. Special laws. Includes proceedings under specific statutes and regulations. This section ensures consistency in the application of the BNSS across different types of legal proceedings. Section 520. Power to arrest without warrant. Section 520 outlines the circumstances under which law enforcement officers can arrest individuals without a warrant. Key points. Arrest powers. Defines situations where warrantless arrests are permissible. Legal safeguards. Ensures that such arrests are carried out legally and justly. This provision provides clarity on the powers of arrest and ensures they are exercised responsibly. Section 521. Repeal and savings. Section 521 addresses the repeal of previous laws and the saving of ongoing proceedings, ensuring a smooth transition to the new legal framework. Key points. Repeal of previous laws. Old laws are repealed to make way for the BNSS. Ongoing proceedings. Ensures that ongoing cases are not disrupted by the transition. This section ensures continuity and clarity during the transition to the BNSS. Summary. Chapter 36 of the BNSS, 2023, addresses various miscellaneous provisions that are essential for the effective functioning of the criminal justice system. Sections 507 to 521 cover a range of topics including the language of courts, the role of public prosecutors, the use of expert testimony, protection of judicial officers, and the handling of corporate offences. The chapter also includes provisions for the transparency of court proceedings, the inherent powers of the High Court, and the rulemaking authority necessary for the implementation of the BNSS. These miscellaneous provisions ensure that the BNSS is comprehensive, fair, and adaptable, promoting justice and efficiency within the legal system. Stay informed. Live in comfort.